I'm David Golding. I've been buying and selling modern and classic cars since 1988.
Which just happens to be the year of this absolutely stunning Mercedes 200T estate. It's the very rare 7-seater. It's finished in this lovely period ivory. It's in absolutely fabulous condition throughout, and it's just waltzed through an NCT till 2024. Equipped with roof rails along with crossbars and an electric sunroof. Inside, the interior is finished in this gorgeous brown. Here's the 7 seats. The rest of the interior, it's in fabulous unworn condition throughout. Dash has no cracks in it, lovely wood. Driver's seat has no wear, lovely comfortable seats these. The door cards are in good condition. Nice manual windows. Unworn steering wheel. As I say, just 58,000 miles. Comes with a period Panasonic stereo. 2 sets of keys. She's automatic. Comes with genuine mats. Really clean footwells. The nets in the back of the seats are in perfect condition. Always a good sign that these haven't been abused. And a really clean headlining. Here she is with all the seats down, a very useful load lugger, and the dog guard in the up position. Comes with the first aid kit warning triangle. Here you can see the reservoir, electric aerial, spare wheel, small tools all complete. And a really clean engine bay. Credit to its previous owner. Absolutely magnificent for a 34-year-old car. Look at this. Comes with the full book pack, including service book, and she's NCT till 2024.
Let's go for a little spin. Starts well. Pulls away very briskly. You can tell this car has only 58,000 miles on it the second you pull away. Really tight. Lovely unworn steering wheel. Gauge is all working. Perfect oil pressure. Very smooth changes on the gearbox. Brakes very well. Good sounds from the stereo. And of course, you got this great electric sunroof. Really, really fabulous car. I don't think there's a more useful classic out there.
Price of the Mercedes 200T is €14,950. I don't think you'll find a better one out there with this specification, such low mileage and such fabulous condition. Very proud to be the #1 rated car dealer on TRUSTPILOT in Ireland today. Free delivery nationwide to your door.